Welcome to our channel. If you've submitted an application to Navy Federal Credit Union for a credit card, loan, or account and want to check its status, follow these step-by-step instructions to get updates. Step 1. Determine what type of application you submitted: credit card, personal loan, auto loan, mortgage, or membership account, as the checking process may vary. Step 2. For credit card applications, call Navy Federal's Credit Card Department at 1-888-426-328. Have your Social Security number ready for verification. Step 3. Follow the automated prompts or speak with a representative who can look up your application status and provide information about approval, pending status, or any additional documentation needed. Step 4. For loan applications, call Navy Federal at 1-888-426-328 and select the option for the specific loan type, auto, personal, or mortgage, to speak with a specialist. Step 5. If you're already a Navy Federal member, log into your online banking account at www.navyfederal.org and check for messages or notifications about your application status. Step 6. In your online account, navigate to My Applications or Application Status in the menu to view all pending and processed applications. Step 7. Check your email for correspondence from Navy Federal. They typically send status updates, approval notifications, or requests for additional information to the email address on your application. Step 8. If your application is pending, typical processing times are: credit cards 7 to 10 business days, personal loans 1 to 3 business days, auto loans 1 to 2 business days, and mortgages 30 to 45 days. If additional documentation is requested, submit it promptly through online banking, by fax, or by visiting a branch to avoid processing delays. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.